Welcome to the first module in our MOOC on Java for Android, which summarizes the MOOC's structure and contents, explains its prerequisites, workload, and learning strategies, and presents an overview of key features in the Java language, focusing on its support for object-oriented programming concepts used to develop Android apps. After completing the lessons in this module, you'll be able to understand how to meet the course requirements, name the key object-oriented features in Java needed to write Android apps, and know where to find the information and resources you need to succeed in this MOOC. Much of this information is available in the Frequently Asked Questions, or FAQ website, so please read it carefully prior to watching the lessons in this MOOC.